Welcome to Beautyistic, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and insights into all things beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into a product that could elevate your oral hygiene routine, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300 Electric Toothbrush. This isn't just any toothbrush, it's packed with features that promise to take your oral care to the next level. Let's break it down. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300 Tash is an advanced sonic toothbrush designed to deliver superior plaque removal, healthier gums, and a whiter smile. According to the description, it can remove up to 20x more plaque than a manual toothbrush, improve gum health by up to 15x, and remove up to 100% more stains. This toothbrush comes with 4 brushing modes, 3 intensity levels, and advanced smart technology that connects to an app for personalized guidance. The real-time pressure sensor is one of the standout features. The light ring on the handle flashes if you're pressing too hard, a gentle reminder to adjust your technique to avoid damaging your teeth and gums. In addition, it includes 2 brush heads, the A3 Premium All-in-One and the C3 Premium Plaque Control, both designed to tackle different oral care needs. The set also comes with a charging glass, a travel case, and a stand, making it convenient for home and travel. When it comes to using the DiamondClean Smart 9300, I found it to be incredibly intuitive. The brushing modes and intensity levels allow for a customized experience, whether you want a gentle clean or a more powerful scrub. The Sonicare app provides a unique real-time feedback system that guides you throughout your brushing session, which helps develop better habits. However, the app's connection can sometimes be a little finicky if you're not using it consistently. One of the key strengths of this toothbrush is the pressure sensor. It's a great feature, especially if you're prone to brushing too hard, which can lead to gum damage. The brush heads are also effective, with the plaque control brush head making a noticeable difference in the cleanliness of your teeth. The charging glass is a nice touch, offering a sleek way to charge your toothbrush while adding a bit of luxury to your bathroom counter. However, there are a couple of downsides. For the price, you might expect even more advanced features, like a longer battery life or more customizable settings within the app. Additionally, while the brush heads are high quality, they do need to be replaced fairly regularly, which adds to the long-term cost. Pros: superior plaque removal and stain reduction. Pressure sensor helps prevent overbrushing. 4 brushing modes and 3 intensity levels for a personalized experience. Smart app integration for real-time guidance. Elegant charging glass and travel case included. Cons: higher price point compared to basic electric toothbrushes. Brush head replacement costs add up over time. App connectivity can sometimes be unreliable. When it comes to value for money, this is a bit of a mixed bag. On one hand, you're getting a top-tier toothbrush with advanced features like the pressure sensor and the app integration, making it a solid investment for those serious about oral care. On the other hand, the high price and recurring cost of brush head replacements might make this feel less economical over time, especially if you're looking for something more budget-friendly. Compared to similar products in the market, the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300 TAD stands out for its smart technology and pressure sensor. Brands like Oral-B offer comparable sonic toothbrushes, but they often don't have the same level of app integration or custom modes. This toothbrush is designed for those who want more control and guidance over their brushing habits, which might justify the higher price tag. In terms of build quality, the materials feel premium, with a sturdy handle and sleek design that's easy to grip. The overall construction is solid, but the battery life could be better. It lasts for around 2 weeks, which is decent, but not exceptional for a high-end model like this. I haven't had any direct interactions with customer support, but Philips has a strong reputation for providing helpful service, so you can expect good support should you need it. Now, for alternatives, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, Oral-B's Pro 1000 might be a good choice. It doesn't have the smart features of the Philips Sonicare, but it does offer great performance at a much lower price. Final verdict: the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300 delivers an impressive brushing experience with advanced features like smart app integration and a pressure sensor. It's perfect for those who want a personalized, high-tech toothbrush that helps improve brushing habits. However, the high price and ongoing costs for brush heads might make it a tough sell for someone just looking for basic functionality. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so other dental care enthusiasts can find this video too. Thanks for watching, and if you have any thoughts on the Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9300, drop them in the comments below. The link to grab yours is in the description. Until next time, keep it fresh, keep it clean, and as always, stay beautiful with Beautyistic.